In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find driveway ideas in Houzz. If you're planning a new driveway or just want inspiration for a refresh, Houzz is a great place to see real projects, compare styles, and collect ideas you can share with your contractor. Start by opening your browser and going to houzz.com. When the homepage loads, you'll see a clean layout with a navigation bar across the top. From there, click Ideas. This takes you into Houzz's massive library of photos and projects curated from homeowners and professionals. To focus on exterior spaces, look for the outdoor category and select it. That narrows the content to everything outside the home, which is exactly where driveway projects live. Within outdoor, click Driveway. Now you're in the dedicated gallery for driveways and you'll see a grid of photos showing different materials, layouts, and styles, from modern concrete slabs to classic brick, gravel, and paver designs. From here, you can start browsing. Take your time scrolling and let the thumbnails guide you. At the top and along the sides, you'll often find filters to refine what you see. You can adjust style, material, color, or even location to surface driveways that make sense for your climate and neighborhood. If you have something specific in mind, use the search bar to add a keyword like pavers, stamped concrete, or permeable. As you browse, think about slope, drainage, snow removal, and how the driveway ties into your front yard and walkway. Those details can help you pick designs that aren't just beautiful, but practical. When you spot an idea you like, click it to view the full page. You'll get a larger image and often a description from the professional who uploaded it. Look for notes about materials, pattern names, and installation details. Many projects include additional photos from different angles. Check the carousel to see the driveway in context with the house, garage, and landscaping. If the pro's profile is linked, you can view more of their work for additional inspiration. You can also share or save the idea for later. Use the share option to send a link to a friend, partner, or builder. To keep it organized for yourself, click Save to add the image to an idea book. You may need to be signed in to save. If so, just follow the prompts and consider creating an idea book called Driveway Ideas and adding quick notes like favorite materials or measurements to compare options easily. That's it. With Houzz's ideas, outdoor, and driveway sections, you can quickly build a focused collection of designs that match your taste and needs. Happy browsing, and enjoy turning those ideas into a plan.